Hi, this is Jordan over at Ideal Machinery. Today we are running off a 1998 300-ton Van Dorn. It does have a 14-ounce injection unit on it. It has the Pathfinder 5000 control system. So we'll run things off, and have any questions, you can call our office. All right? That is just a quick overview of our 300-ton Van Dorn we have here for sale. Check out our website, idealmachinery.com. We have millions of items for sale in the plastics industry. Check us out on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, so you can see more videos like this. If you have any questions, you can call our office, 248-627-3135. We'll see you next time.